Hey guys, it's Extreme 3D, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a cool 3D printed case for this keypad and servo motor using Arduino. So I'm going to show you the different prototypes I made, and then I'll show you this in action. So let's get to it. Okay, so this was my first prototype, and it's just pretty simple. It's a little enclosure, two little shell things to try to keep the keypad in. The only problem was, well, it was too small for the keypad, and also, as I'd later on notice, which is kind of stupid, but I didn't make a back for it like this. And that's a problem because then you can't press on the keypad. So I made two prototypes of that. First, well, the reason why I didn't make it back for this was I didn't want to waste materials because I need support for it. So I just made it so that I could just see if the size worked, and that was basically it. So yeah, those are the size differences, and I was kind of off with this because I don't know. I was busy when I was designing this. I was interning at a local makerspace or tech space, however you want to put it. So I was trying to help out some children, and then in between that I was trying to design this because, well, I wanted to make a video on it. So yeah, those were the first two prototypes. So now I will show you the next ones. So this was my second prototype, and as you can see, here's the back. The only issue is it was the same size as the first prototype that I made, which was too small for the keypad. And the reason this happened is because the original file was this size, and for some reason, like, the software was kind of freaking out and it wouldn't allow me to scale it up, and I don't know what happened. So I just did it in Simplify 3D. So yeah, that was the issue. I was so disappointed because I'd printed this and it didn't fit, so yeah. So here was the next prototype, and this I thought this was gonna be my final prototype. The only issue is I forgot to put a hole at the back for a cable to go in, so you could hook up like a little USB or like an AC adapter to the Arduino to power it all. So I had to do that, and also here you can see I kind of melted a little hole in the front and on the side for some cables to go through if I wanted to, like, mount that to a wall. So yeah, that was also an issue. And then here is my last prototype, and the same issue happened here. Except this time it was different. So I scaled up the model in Simplify 3D, and then it actually didn't save. I sliced the model, it looked fine, and when I printed it, it printed this, and I know it's different from like one of the smaller ones or the files, because there's a hole in it, like I designed. So Simplify 3D just kind of messed up, I guess, because I input the scale options and stuff like that, and it still came out the wrong size. So this all kind of frustrated me, but it doesn't matter. I have a lot of filament, and you have to learn from these things, as I've said in some previous videos. So now I'm going to show you the final prototype and the actual unit working. Okay, so here is the actual unit, and as you can see, there is still some flaws. You can kind of see how this is, you know, like, it's not fully like in there. It's kind of bent, but I'm happy with it either way. It still is pretty cool. It looks cool, and you can kind of just mount this to a wall, I guess, if you want to, and then you could hook up the servo motor to a deadbolt or something like that, so that you could lock a door, and then you could kind of run this outside if it was in an apartment or something like that. So that's pretty cool. So here's Arduino in the back, and I just taped the connectors for the keypad because I didn't want them to come loose. And then I also just decided to have the servo wire just running out of the hole at the bottom also. So here in the bottom you can actually run a cable through, whether it's USB 3.0, I think, or just an AC thing, or just a battery pack. So here we have, so I will show you this now working. So Here, as you can see, here's a servo, and my code is 181, and as you can see, it moved. And now if I want to lock it, I press the star button right here. There we go. So I think that's pretty cool. You can do some awesome stuff with this. Here, I'll show you this one more time. I'll just put it up there. So you can see it turn there. So that'd be it unlocking, and then you can lock it. So I think that's pretty cool. I'd previously made this project before, but I never had an enclosure for it, and I really wanted to design one because I thought it'd be fun. I'm very happy with how this project turned out, and I'm very excited to make some more Arduino projects. I'm not that good with Arduino coding, at least, but I do understand the basics, and it's really fun to incorporate electronics with 3D printing. Well, that's the video, guys. Please stick around for more videos. If you want to check out my Thingiverse page, I will have all my links down below. Please hang around for our weekly live streams. They're going to be either Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, and then uploaded on Wednesday. And please leave a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.